Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to take a look at 7 bob haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair into a bob, this video is for you. So here we have the first stylist doing a gorgeous classic angle bob. This one, of course, features hair that is longer in the front and shorter in the back. Next up, we see someone make a major hair transformation. So she started off with pretty long hair and the stylist cut the hair into a beautiful bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the texture that the stylist created with the curls. She looks amazing. Next up, we see someone with their hair just a little bit past their shoulders. And the stylist did a beautiful, nice cascading bob. She has her natural gray tones mixed in with her hair color. So then we see someone with tailbone length hair. And she has also decided to switch it up with this classic bob haircut. So for our next bob haircut transformation, it looks like she started off with a haircut that has kind of grown out and the stylist just kind of trimming her up. Giving her a blowout, shaping up the hair, beautiful highlights mixed in. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these bob haircut ideas, don't forget to give this video a like. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a beautiful cascading bob. Gorgeous face framing bangs. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob. Love the highlights, the way that the color is mixed in. Beautiful angled bangs in the front. And this is a bob that ends just around the shoulders. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.